welcome to Permission.io media. So on today's video, we will see how to sign up and create a new account from a laptop when you have only a laptop and you don't have a device to scan the QR code. So you will need three things to execute this process. So the first thing is you will need an email. The second thing is you will need the browser Chrome. And the third thing is we're going to download an extension to this browser, which is the Google Authenticator. So I will open my browser Chrome and I will go into the search bar and I will type Authenticator for laptop. So if I scroll down a little bit, I will see here Authenticator Chrome Web Store with the link underneath chrome.google.com. So I will click on this link and here I will see the Authenticator. So I will click on Add to Chrome. Checking, Add extension. Little icon over here, and I will see that my authenticator is here. So I'm going to pin it to my bar, and now it's here. So I can close this for now. And here I will type in my bar Permission.io. Enter. So here I see the button Sign Up. I will click on it. So here I will input my email address. I will create a password. Making sure that I'm checking all the requirements for my password, and I will click on Sign Up. So I can save my password. So this is where the Authenticator download comes into play, because here it will ask you to scan the QR code. Of course, if you have only one device, you cannot scan with the device that you have. So you will click on Trouble Scanning. And here it will provide you the code that you would need in case you do not have a second device to scan the QR code. So here you will just click on Copy Code and we will open a new page. We will click on Authenticator and here we will add with the crayon, the little pencil. I will click on Add and I will click Enter manually. So issuer, I will click Permission.io. The secret code, I will paste it here and I will click OK. So this is the code that the authenticator, I'll allow. So a quick word regarding the authenticator. So the code that you just entered into the authenticator to create this account needs to be kept, because this is a code that you can enter manually into any authenticator. So if you have a phone, a mobile phone, we will advise you to have an account on different authenticators. So if your computer doesn't have battery, or if your phone doesn't have battery, or if you lose your phone, you will still be able to access your account. So it's always a good idea to have a backup for 2FA's authenticator code. So the authenticator in Google will keep your account here. So as you can see, Permission.io, I have my account. Here, as you can see, there's a little clock that is running. And when you get to the end, like right now, you see the codes become red, telling me that it's about to change. Boom, it changed. And now the clock resets. So every maybe 20 seconds, the code changes. And in case you wanted to add this account onto your mobile, so nonetheless you can add it manually like we just did with that specific code that it's good to keep, or you can export your 2FA by hovering on the account. On the top right, you will see that you have the barcode that would be generated. So now you can just scan this QR code with your mobile phone authenticator, and you will have the same authenticator on your mobile with the same code generated in the same time. So it's just a way of keeping your 2FAs in different mobiles per security purposes. This is the code that the authenticator is providing me. Copied, and I come back here and I will paste it. So this code changes like every couple of seconds. So now I'm in. Now they provide me a recovery code, which you have to copy and paste. Make sure that you save this in your personal belongings. Then you can click I have safely recorded this code and click continue. So continue. So now they're redirecting me into my Permission account, freshly opened. So here I can see my home, I can see wallet, and here I have a pop-up message telling me that I need to verify my email. So I will go into my email, refresh, click on all email, because sometimes these emails can get lost and don't go into the mail inbox. So I will just click on verify your email. And now my account has been verified. So I can go to my wallet, my data, referral settings, and I can go into the Shop and Earn marketplace where you can shop with US dollar or ASK that you would have previously earned by referring people or watching video or giving your private data. So this is how you sign up for the Permission.io website, having only one device, a laptop, by downloading the authenticator on your Chrome browser. Thank you so much for watching. Bye! So these are the requirements to open up an account for Permission.io on a mobile device. You will need a browser, go access to your Play Store to download an authenticator app, and an email address. So we will dive into it and show you how to proceed. Hi, welcome to our channel at Permission.io Media. So on this day's video, we will see how to sign up for a new account on a mobile device. So for that, you will need two different apps additional that you would need to download before starting the process of signing up for a new account. So I'm doing this video on a Galaxy device, but you could do it on a Apple also. So instead of going to the Play Store like I have it here, you would go to the App Store. So we're gonna go get two additional applications. So I'm gonna click on my Play Store, and here I will search for Authenticator app. So we will try not to use the Google Authenticator just for fun. So we will try the fourth on the list, which is 2FA authenticators, parentheses 2FAs, and I will install it. Now that I have my two apps, and what I will do is I will go onto a browser. So for opening an account with Permission, what you would need is an email account. So I will go onto a browser and I will go to a new page where I will type Permission.io. So this is their website, and here I will see that I will get 100 ASK for signing up. So I'm clicking on the button. So here I have the sign up page which opens up. So I'm going to put my email address, so you would put your own. And you will create a password. Once you have validated all the requirements, you click on sign up. So since I'm doing it on my own phone, I cannot scan the phone with the phone that I'm using right now. So unless you have another device to scan this QR code, what we would do is we will click trouble scanning. And you will see manually enter the following code into preferred authenticator app, and then enter the provided one-time code below. So you're going to click on copy code. And we're going to go through the authenticator app, clicking on the plus number and add manually. So service name, I will write Permission.io, and the service key, paste, got it, and save. So this is the code that I have, 422050. I'll go back here, I'll write 422050 and click go. And now that I'm in the event that you need to log in without your device, you'll need a recovery code. Take a note and keep this somewhere safe. So you're going to click on it and copy and put it somewhere safe. And you're going to click, I have safely recorded this code. Congratulations, you are all set. So this is how you create an account on your mobile device.